Hello, we are so excited to be dishing about seafood with Oldways today, especially because it is not only National Seafood Month, but it's also Pescatarian Month. So whether you are a lifelong seafood fan or you're just wanting to try to incorporate more seafood into your family's meals this month, you are in the right place. My name is Jennifer McGuire, and I am a registered dietitian with the National Fisheries Institute. And today I'm joined by my colleague, Rima Kleiner.
Thanks, Jennifer. It is great to be joining Oldways today. And the word pescatarian, I think we're starting to hear that more and more, but it's actually been around for a few decades and refers to an eating style that's really heavily plant-based, but includes seafood. And in fact, a pescatarian diet is very similar to a Mediterranean diet, which focuses on vegetables and fruits, olive oil, nuts, seeds, beans, as well as seafood. And like the Mediterranean diet, a pescatarian eating style provides incredible health benefits, so much so that the 2020 Dietary Guidelines for Americans and the Mediterranean Diet Pyramid recommend eating seafood at least 2 times a week to meet your nutrient needs.
Yep, that's right. There are so many nutrients in seafood. It is rich in nutrients that help support optimal health at truly all stages of life, all the way from fetal development to early childhood and adolescence, and then straight through aging adults. Seafood is rich in protein, which is important for a healthy immune system, building muscles, and so much more, as well as seafood's claim to fame, omega-3s. These are healthy oils that are essential for optimal brain health throughout the whole life cycle, as well as healthy skin and a strong immune system. One of the biggest benefits of a pescatarian diet is actually improved heart health. And there was a 2020 study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology that compared a variety of styles of eating, including various forms of vegetarian diets, as well as a pescatarian diet. And what was found is that a pescatarian diet was associated with the absolute lowest incidence of heart disease death.
So we love those omega-3s in seafood. And there are so many other nutrients that seafood delivers as well, including vitamin D, which we know is crucial for calcium absorption, which means healthy bones, and a healthy immune system. And seafood's also rich in B vitamins, which are important for proper metabolism, healthy skin and hair, and helping to protect against strokes. Seafood is also rich in a lot of minerals, including iron and selenium. And selenium is a great one. It works like an antioxidant in the body to help fight against oxidation and aging. And you put all of these nutrients together and you have a delicious superfood that really helps support heart health, like Jennifer mentioned, reduce the risk of diabetes and other chronic diseases, lower systemic inflammation in the body, protect our eyes, and so really support our immune system and boost brain health, like Jennifer said, truly throughout the entire lifespan.
And considering all of those wide-ranging benefits, it's really unfortunate because most Americans don't eat enough seafood. The recommendation is 2 to 3 servings of seafood each week, and most people are eating actually less than half of that, with pregnant women eating the absolute lowest amount of seafood. They could stand to quadruple the amount of fish they eat to meet the recommendation. So now we are going to talk a little bit about closing that gap between the recommendation and the amount of seafood people are eating with some tips on how to eat more.
We know as dietitians, one of the reasons we hear from people as to why they don't eat enough seafood and meet that 2 to 3 servings a week of seafood is that they just don't always know what to do with seafood, how to cook it or prepare it. So we have some great tips for you. And I know, Jennifer, you have some fun ideas to share.
Yeah, I mean, just a few things that we do in our family. You can add canned or pouched salmon or tuna to spaghetti sauce, actually, instead of beef. You can add shrimp to pasta dishes and quesadillas instead of another protein. And a really easy go-to is to create a foil pack with your favorite whitefish. You can put your favorite seasonings on there, a little bit of olive oil, some veggies, seal it up and bake it in the oven. And it's really flavorful and very fail-proof.
Sounds great. And I'll add that some of our family's favorites are tacos. My kids love tacos. So anytime we can do fish tacos, and also salmon burgers, just a really easy way to use pouched or canned salmon or tuna and get some burgers on the table that are really rich in all of those nutrients that we talked about. And if you're looking for more easy and tasty seafood pescatarian recipes, check out our dishonfish.com website, which has a ton of recipes as well as an e-cookbook with more than 60 seafood recipes. And Oldways also has some delicious recipes that will help you get some nutrient rich and delicious meals on your table as well. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.